So what's up, guys? Welcome to Mixed Breed Entertainment. If this smudge is showing up on the video, sorry about that, guys. I'm looking at the lens and I need to clean it, I guess. Um, Today, um, actually a while ago, um, we got a winter storm warning that's getting ready to hit. So I went out and to the garage, got the snow shovel out, got it ready, made sure the generator was ready, and realized that the salt that we had wasn't going to be enough salt. So now I got to run all the way to, I don't know, we're going to look around town. We might not even be able to get any salt today. I don't know. But we're going to try. I'm going to hit up a couple of places like maybe Lowe's or something, or maybe Menards. But we're going to go check it out, get some salt, get some, maybe a shovel or something, guys, so we don't get trapped in right here. We're supposed to get a lot of snow. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So what's up, guys? I'm running in here to Menards, and we're gonna go get some salt, guys. Get some salt, get some snow shovel, and some other things. Hang on a minute, let me clean the lens off. Sorry about that. Alright, guys, let's do this. We're gonna go in here and see if we can find us some salt. Wow, it is cold, guys. It is cold. There's a lot of people here. We might not be able to find any at all. They might be out already. So hopefully we'll luck out, guys. Hopefully we'll luck out. Not for sure where to go, guys. And there, like I said, there are a lot of people in here right now. Somebody was looking at, doing flashlights. We'll go back to that. So, as soon as I find out what I'm looking for, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, so we got some bad news about the salt. They're out of salt here, and I've been to 2 other places, and they didn't have salt either. But we do have some snow shovels here, and I'm just looking for the best one, guys. What do you guys think? I know we're not live right now, and you're not going to be able to give me your opinion until later, but they're all pretty much the same, ain't they, guys? So I'm just going to grab one. That looks like a pretty good snow shovel there. You know what? Kind of like this shovel over here. Of course, that looks like the same one as that. Goodness, guys. This one right here. I like this one, guys. But I also like this blue one. We'll go with that one, huh? We'll go with that one. Alright guys, we're going to head over to, check this out. This is really cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'd like to get one of those. I could build that maybe. I love plants, guys. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff in the garden come springtime. And you guys will be able to see what we do in our yard, do our yard work, see what kind of vegetables we plant. You're going to be able to see what we grow in our garden, things like that. But yeah, how are you? But we're going to be doing that in the springtime, get our garden ready. And I've seen a lot of cool stuff. Keeps catching my eye and interrupting me while I see something and I just forget what I'm talking about, guys. So, but what we're going to be doing, hang on a minute. So yeah, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be going over here to the flashlight and just kind of look around, see what we can find with lighting. The light that Lee has, that little flashlight, it's pretty bright, guys, and I like the way it shows up on camera. The light that we have going on right now, it's bright enough, but when we're out there in the woods, we need better lighting. We need a lot more lighting, guys. So we're gonna check some different stuff out, see what we can find. And yeah, maybe we'll get a light bright enough to go hunt Bigfoot. So let's see. I know it's right here somewhere, so I'm just waiting. I know they got batteries here that I need. I've been looking for some batteries like those for a while, and I cannot ever find them. Everywhere I go, they're out. Okay, guys, let's see what we find. 800 luminescence. Check this out, guys. So there is 1,000 luminescence, guys, and I think Lee is 600. There's the one that's got 8. I like this one. Let's go with this one right here. Oh man, we only want one. Everybody's looking at me like, what's this guy doing with the camera? I like that one there. That one looks like it might be a pretty good camera, guys. Okay, guys, we're ready to go. Like I said, they're out of salt, And I've been to 3 different other places to try to find salt, and I can't find salt anywhere in town. It's all out, guys. It is all out. But yeah, we're getting ready to go check out, and if there's any ideas on what I could do home remedy wise on melting salt, it's all going. But I'll see you in a little bit, guys. Woo, so guys, I'm all fogged up. Man, that's bad, guys. Didn't get us any salt. We're gonna run over here. I'm gonna check out a place right next door and see if they have any salt, and see you in a minute. Okay, guys, I gotta bend down, guys. We're fixing to go up into Myers and see if they have any salt. So here we are. Got something on my jacket. It is just not. What is that? Ew. Yeah. Car's locked up. We are going in to see if we can find some salt, guys. Oh, this is like the 4th place that we have been today. And I tell you what, I'm getting tired of driving around, getting out, going in, looking, and stuff like that. Getting kind of tired. Like I said, this is the 4th place we've been so far, so hopefully we'll luck out and find some. Hey, y'all got any salt left?
Nope.
No salt left, guys.
Sorry.
No salt left. There you have it. So we're going to go ahead and try another place. This will be, so right there we got 4 places that does not have salt, guys. We might not find some salt today. I'll see you guys in a minute. So hey guys, we're getting ready to go up in Walmart and see if we can find some salt. We better get in there. I just seen somebody with some salt. So we're going to go up in here and try to see if we can get us some salt. Maybe they won't be out. This is the 5th place today that we have gone to that does not have salt. Well, we don't know if they have salt or not. But we're going to go in here and check. I did see somebody that looked like they had a bag of salt. Not for sure where to go, guys. Maybe this way.
I know.
So, this place is just as packed as all the rest of them, guys. It is packed here. I know one thing, I can't take this cart. This cart keeps going off to the side. Sorry, guys.
You and I, we can affect the world. I'm tired of the fast lane. I want you to have my last name. Yeah.
Oh, that door don't even open. I can't take that car. I can't even drive that car. It keeps tugging off to one side. It doesn't look like we're going to be able to find any salt here either, guys. So, yeah, like I said, guys, that's the 5th place that we've gone to today that does not have salt. That's pretty much everywhere in town. So, I'll see you in a minute, guys. So, yeah, when I turned the camera off, there was somebody in front of me who stopped and asked me where all I went because they overheard me talking. And they wanted to know where I've been, so they didn't go there too and waste their time. But they said Evansville was out of salt too, so it looks like everywhere in town and Evansville is out of salt, guys. So if you're in the Evansville area and you're looking for salt, you're not going to be able to get it. I'll see you in a minute. So check it out, guys. We just run up into Big Lee at Walmart. He's still sore from the other night where we found that scary doll. We need to explain the scene that did not get put into the video, and that's where when we had rolled up on our pinpoint, we had noticed that there was a vehicle behind us, and they had, I don't know, maybe 100 yards away, they had parked up into this driveway and was just sitting there looking at us. And we got out, walked to our pinpoint, and I turned around, and right as I turned around, I see Lee just go flying across the road, and he said it was almost as if something grabbed both his legs at the same time and jerked them out from underneath him. And right where he was standing is where the doll was. Now, when he hit the ground, the camera shut off, and we lost that footage. And that's what happened, guys. So we're sorry about that, but he's still sore. He is okay, guys. He's just a little sore. But we'll see you in a minute. We're checking out some stuff, and like I said, I'll see you when we get back out. We're still looking for salt, guys.